This modern factory produces instant noodles on a massive scale using advanced automated technology. Every day, huge machines work together to create millions of oversized instant noodle servings. Production begins with carefully selected raw materials prepared in extremely large quantities. This facility is designed for speed, precision, and consistent noodle quality worldwide. Automation allows noodles to be produced faster while maintaining uniform texture and taste. Every machine here plays an important role in the noodle-making journey. Large-scale production requires strict organization, cleanliness, and constant monitoring. Even small ingredients matter when producing noodles at industrial levels. From storage to processing, everything flows smoothly through this advanced factory system. Now let's follow the journey of instant noodles from ingredients to finished packages. Large quantities of wheat flour, starch, salt, and seasonings arrive at the factory. These raw materials are the foundation of instant noodles. Everything is handled carefully to support oversized production while maintaining cleanliness, safety, and consistent quality from the very beginning. Workers visually inspect raw materials before use. They check for freshness, dryness, and proper storage conditions. This step helps prevent contamination and ensures only approved ingredients enter the production system, which is especially important at such a large industrial scale. Ingredients are transferred through enclosed pipes and conveyors. This system reduces human contact and keeps the environment clean. Automated movement also allows heavy, oversized ingredient volumes to flow efficiently without interruption or spillage. Large digital weighing systems measure ingredients precisely. Even small differences can affect noodle texture and taste. Accurate measurement ensures every batch remains consistent, regardless of how large the production volume becomes. Measured ingredients are released into giant stainless steel silos. These containers are designed to store bulk materials safely while keeping them dry and protected until mixing begins. Wide conveyor belts transport ingredients smoothly across the preparation area. Sensors continuously monitor flow speed to avoid blockages and maintain steady production. Control systems track temperature, humidity, and ingredient movement. This constant monitoring supports stable conditions for large-scale noodle manufacturing. Heavy-duty augers feed ingredients evenly into the next stage. Their slow, controlled rotation helps maintain accuracy during oversized batch handling. The preparation area is built to handle massive volumes efficiently. Space, layout, and machinery placement all support smooth movement and high output. Once prepared and verified, raw ingredients move forward together toward the mixing section, ready to become noodle dough. Large industrial mixers combine flour and water to create thick noodle dough. These machines are powerful enough to handle oversized batches while maintaining even mixing throughout. As mixing continues, the dough becomes smooth and elastic. Proper texture is essential for forming strong noodle strands later in the process. Mixers rotate at controlled speeds. Slow, steady movement prevents overheating and protects dough structure during large-scale production. Operators monitor mixing conditions through digital control panels. Adjustments are made in real time to maintain consistent quality. Fresh dough exits mixers and moves onto wide rolling systems. The transition is smooth to prevent tearing or uneven thickness. Dough stretches gradually under pressure. This controlled stretching improves elasticity and prepares it for shaping. Heavy rollers flatten dough into large, uniform sheets. Thickness control is critical for even cooking later. Continuous dough flow keeps production efficient. There are no stops, helping maintain consistent output. Dough sheets fold and pass through rollers multiple times. This strengthens structure and improves final noodle texture. The finished dough sheets now move forward, ready for cutting into noodle strands. The prepared dough sheets now reach the cutting section. Special machines slice the dough into thick, oversized noodle strands. This step must be extremely precise to ensure every noodle has the same width, strength, and cooking behavior later in the process. Freshly cut noodle strands move forward in smooth, flowing patterns. Proper spacing keeps the noodles separate and prevents sticking. The oversized size allows better control during steaming and helps create a consistent final texture. Automated robotic systems lift and guide large noodle portions carefully. These machines reduce human handling and improve accuracy. Automation also ensures that every noodle portion stays uniform, even at very high production speeds. The noodles enter long steaming chambers designed for large-scale production. Inside, hot steam surrounds the noodles evenly. This gentle cooking process begins setting the noodle structure without drying them too quickly. Steam heat softens the noodles while locking in their shape. Moisture and temperature are carefully controlled to avoid overcooking. This balance is essential for producing noodles that cook quickly and evenly later. Steaming also improves noodle strength and flexibility. This step prepares the noodles for drying or frying without breaking. Proper steaming ensures the noodles remain stable during the next high-temperature processes. Alignment systems keep the oversized noodles organized while moving through steam tunnels. Even alignment prevents tangling and ensures uniform heat exposure across every noodle strand. Bright industrial lighting allows visual inspection of noodle texture and thickness. Operators can quickly identify any irregularities, helping maintain consistent quality across large production batches. After steaming, the noodles exit the chambers evenly cooked and fully shaped. At this stage, they are soft, structured, and ready for moisture removal in the next phase. The steamed noodles move forward smoothly toward drying or frying systems. This transition marks the completion of the core noodle formation process. After steaming, the noodles enter long drying tunnels. Warm air slowly removes excess moisture from the oversized noodle strands. This controlled drying step helps stabilize the noodles and prepares them for fast cooking later without damaging their structure or shape. Some noodles move into flash frying systems. Hot oil surrounds the noodles for a short time. This process creates small air pockets inside the noodles, allowing them to cook quickly when hot water is added by consumers. High temperatures turn soft noodles into light, crispy noodle blocks. Timing is critical here. Even a few extra seconds could affect texture, color, or taste, so automated systems carefully control the entire process. The dried or fried noodle blocks travel along wide conveyor belts. These systems are designed to handle heavy, oversized portions smoothly while keeping the production flow steady and continuous. Robotic arms gently lift and place large noodle blocks into cups or packets. Precision handling prevents breakage and ensures each package contains the correct portion every time. Flavor seasoning sachets are added automatically. Machines drop them accurately into each package, ensuring consistent taste across all products without slowing down production speed. Packaging machines seal the noodle packs tightly. This step protects the noodles from air and moisture, helping preserve freshness, texture, and shelf life during storage and transport. Strong packaging materials are used to protect the oversized noodle blocks. Proper sealing and wrapping help prevent damage while products move through distribution channels worldwide. Multiple packaging lines operate at the same time. This parallel processing increases efficiency and allows the factory to meet high global demand without sacrificing quality control. Fully packaged noodle products now leave the packaging area and move toward inspection zones, marking the completion of the packaging stage. After packaging, the noodle products arrive at the quality inspection area. Trained staff visually check each pack under bright industrial lights. This step helps identify any damaged packaging, incorrect sealing, or visible defects before the products move forward. Automated inspection systems scan every package. Sensors check seal strength, weight accuracy, and package shape. These machines work quickly and consistently, supporting quality control across large production volumes without slowing the overall process. Any product that does not meet quality standards is automatically removed from the line. This ensures that only safe and properly packaged noodles continue toward distribution, protecting both consumers and brand reliability. Approved noodle packages are grouped together and placed into large cartons. Proper grouping helps keep products organized and protected during handling, storage, and transport. Cartons are stacked carefully onto pallets using automated systems. Secure stacking prevents movement and damage, especially when handling oversized or heavy product loads. Forklifts transport the loaded pallets through wide warehouse lanes. Smooth movement and clear pathways help maintain safety and efficiency inside the busy distribution area. Pallets move toward the loading bays, where shipping schedules are carefully managed. Timing is important to ensure products remain fresh and reach markets without unnecessary delays. Delivery trucks are loaded using controlled procedures. Each truck is filled evenly to prevent damage during transport and to maximize space efficiency. Once loaded, trucks are prepared for regional and international delivery. The factory's logistics system ensures products are shipped to many locations efficiently. With quality checks complete and distribution underway, the instant noodles are now ready to reach consumers around the world, completing the production journey. This modern factory brings together advanced machines, skilled workers, and strict controls to produce instant noodles efficiently while maintaining consistent quality at a massive industrial scale every day. From raw ingredients to packaged products, every step follows careful processes designed to ensure safety, reliability, and uniform results for consumers across many different regions. Large-scale automation allows high-speed production while maintaining control, accuracy, and hygiene throughout the entire noodle manufacturing journey. Quality checks and organized distribution ensure that every package leaves the factory ready for transport, storage, and final preparation by consumers. This completes the journey of instant noodles, showing how modern technology transforms simple ingredients into a convenient food enjoyed by millions worldwide.